Welcome back to the yet another course. This is your instructor Akshay Thakur for the course, and here I am presenting one course related to the structural design for the one of most commonly used roofing system, that is space frame. So the course is titled as Space Frame Theory, Structural Analysis and Design by ETABS as per American standards. So in the course you will learn about the space frame, whereas in the course I will also deal with one practical case study for the space frame of 25 by 25 meter workshop. So in the way learners will able to model, analyze and design the space frame in the computer software ETABS as per American standards. So the outline of the course is like this. So these are the list of lectures, in which in the second and third lecture we will see about the space frame, in which first of all we will see the general introduction to the space frame, in which we will see what is space frame, what's make a difference between the plane frame and the space frame, what are the advantages of the space frame and what and where it is used, and we will also see some practical examples of the space frame structure in the different engineering disciplines. After that, in the third lecture, we will see the different types of space frames according to its curvature and according to its number of grid layers. From the fourth lecture, we will deal with one practical case study, in which first of all we model the space frame in computer software ETABS, whereas the section database for the modeling of the space frame we use as per the AISC 14 code, which is the previous revision of the latest standard AISC 15. After modeling the space frame in computer software ETABS, we assign the loads to the space frame as per ASCE 702 code for the wind load and earthquake load. ASCE 702 code is the older revision of the latest standard ASCE 716 code. And after assigning the loads to the space frame as per ASCE 702 code, we define the load combinations as per AISC 360-16 code. And after that, to the next lecture, we define the analysis option and we perform the static analysis to our space frame, in which we also see the behavior of space frame under the different types of loadings and load combination for the different internal forces like axial forces, shear forces and moments. After analysis of space frame, we design the space frame in the computer software ETABS as per AISC 360-16 code by the direct analysis method. And by designing the space frame, we complete the practical case study that we considered. After that, we also see what are the different methods which are used in the construction for the erection of the space frame structure. And after that, we'll see the complete overview of the course so that you can easily summarize the whole course. And at the end, I will give you some bonus tips which helps you to collect some good resources related to the space frame and to enhance your skills in the analysis and design of the space frame structures. So this will be the whole course outline of this course. So now let's see what is the content of the course. So first of all, in the course we'll see what is exactly the space frame structure, and after that we'll see the difference between the plane frame and the space frame, what and where the space frame is used, what are the usefulness of the space frame, what are the advantages of the space frame over the conventional system, and what are the different materials used in the space frame structure. After that, we'll see the different types of space frame connections which are used for the connection of the structural members in the space frame. After that, we'll see the real life examples of the space frame in the different engineering disciplines such as in civil and structural engineering, automobile engineering, mechanical engineering and aeronautical engineering. After that, we'll see the different types of space frames according to its curvature and according to the number of grid layers. Whereas the classification is made on the according to its curvature, like flat covers, barrel vaults and spherical domes, and according to the layers are single layer, double layer and triple layer space frames. Whereas in the course we use the American standards such as AISC 14, which is the steel construction manual, which is the previous revision of latest AISC 15. So for the steel section database to model the space frame in the computer software ETABS, we use AISC 14 code, as well as we also use the ASCE 702 standard, which is the minimum design loads for the buildings and other structures. For defining the load patterns of the wind load and earthquake load, we use this standard. So ASCE 702 is the older revision of the latest standard ASCE 716, whereas for the design we use AISC 360-16, which is the specification for structural steel buildings, which is the latest standard by the AISC for the design of steel structures. Whereas in this course we use direct analysis method as per AISC 360-16 for the design of space frame. For smooth work in ETABS, I have created one checklist to perform the static analysis and design of the space frame. So by going stepwise, we'll complete our whole software work in the computer software ETABS to avoid the mistakes and errors while performing modeling, analysis and design to our space frame. After that, we start our work in the computer software ETABS, whereas first of all we model the space frame in computer software ETABS and then we analyze our space frame. And after that, we check the maximum and minimum deflections in our space frame for different load combinations and load cases. After that, we also check the analysis results for the different load combinations and load cases for the different analysis parameters such as axial forces, shear forces and moments in our space frame. And after that, we design the space frame in computer software ETABS as per AISI 36016 and we also see about the design parameters. And in the way, we complete the design for our practical case study. And after that, we see the construction methods which are used for the erection of the space frame, that are scaffold method, block assembly method and the lift up method. So in the brief, we'll also see about this method. So this is it. So this will become the whole course. So after completing this, we'll see the complete overview of the course so that you can easily summarize the whole course. And at the end, I will give you some bonus tips that helps you to collect some good resources related to the space frame and to enhance your skills in analysis and design of space frame structures. So this is it. So this will be the whole course. So keep watching and happy learning.